I will get right to it. I was unable to do video on how to link up the fourth and the fifth position of the major pentatonic scale because I believe you should be able to do that. In this video, I'll be teaching on how to link up the fifth position and the first position of the major pentatonic scale. When you get to the fifth position of the major pentatonic scale, you start all over from the first position. This is our root on the sixth fret of the sixth string, key A sharp major. This is G-shaped pentatonic we played on the fifth position of major pentatonic scale. Playing this on key A sharp major, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Actually, the first note here is la. To start from la is going to be la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. This is E-shaped pentatonic we played on the first position of major pentatonic scale, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re. The last note here is re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. It's time to link up the fifth position and the first position. Our root here on the sixth fret of the sixth string, the first note, do, re. Linking up using the fifth string, re. Heading towards the first position, mi. Now on the first position, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Descending order, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi. Heading towards the fifth position, re. Back to the fifth position, re, do. The next string we'll be linking up using the fourth string, do, re, mi, sol. Now on the fourth string, heading towards the first position, sol, la. Now on the first position, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Descending order. Do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la. Heading towards the fifth position. So now on the fifth position. So, mi, re, do. Linking up through the third string. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Now on the third string, heading towards the first position. Do, re. Now on the first position. Re, mi, sol, la, do. Descending order. Do, la, sol, mi, re. Heading towards the fifth position. Do. Now on the fifth position. Do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Linking up through the second string. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi. Now on the second string, heading towards the first position. Mi, sol. Now on the first position. So, la, do. Descending order. Do, la, sol. Heading towards the fifth position. So, mi. Now on the fifth position. Mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Linking up through the high E string, also known as the first string. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, mi, sol, la. Now on the high E string, heading towards the first position. La, do. Now on the first position. Do, re, do. Heading towards the fifth position. Do, la. Now on the fifth position. La, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. My video lessons on minor scale versus minor pentatonic scale begins soon. Your assignment is to master every shape in every key on the sixth string. For example, this is E-shape pentatonic. We played on the first position of major pentatonic scale. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. So you are to master the E-shape pentatonic and play it on every key on the sixth string. Do, do, different key. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, sol, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Number 2, this is D-shape pentatonic. We played on the second position of major pentatonic scale. As you can see, I'm doing this on different key. The next shape, this is C-shape pentatonic. We played on the third position of major pentatonic scale. Next key. Next key. Number 4. This is A-shape pentatonic. We played on the 4th position of the major pentatonic scale. Another key. Another key. Another key. Number next, G shape. This is G shape pentatonic. We played on the 5th position of the major pentatonic scale. Another key. Another key. Another key here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video of minor scale versus minor pentatonic scale.